Paul here from Boast at Barry's in Toronto. We got Jamie here.
Hi.
How you doing, Jamie?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm doing wonderful. What brings you to Barry's today?
I came to get shredded.
I love it. How was it? Was it a good
It was
workout?
awesome. We had so much fun.
Have you done a Barry's workout before?
I have.
Okay.
Yes. Unfortunately.
It kicks my butt, not gonna lie.
Yeah.
How's Collision been so far?
It's been good. It's really nice to see what's going on in the Toronto tech scene.
Right.
It was good to get up to date and meet new people. So yeah, it's been awesome.
That's so cool. What company are you here with?
So I actually do consulting.
Okay,
So I work with early stage startups
Love
on
it.
the product and marketing and investor relations side. So yeah.
Oh, that's so cool. We
Yeah.
work with tons of people in the same boat, so I'm sure there's a lot of synergy there.
Absolutely.
What are you looking forward to for the rest of the week?
Honestly, just meeting new people and
That's
just learning
awesome.
more about what's going on.
Cool. Any big plans for today?
After this, I'm not sure. I might need a nap.
I'm right there with you. I was like, yeah, a little ambitious going up the dance card today, but
Yeah.
it was a good
No,
workout.
Awesome.
All right, it was
Thank
great
you.
speaking
It
with
was
you.
so nice to meet you.
Wonderful.
Thank you.